How's it going, everybody? If your brake pads look like this, notice how one is heavily worn, different than the other, even though this is the same pair that was installed at the same time on, this could be on a dirt bike, motorcycle, ATV, whatever. But if yours are wearing unevenly like this, let me show you the likely reason. When you're looking at the caliper here, notice this pin. This big pin is what holds this in place here. If yours is very crusty and rusty with a lot of buildup and debris and road grime and, you know, just filth all along this right here, if yours looks horrible, that is one reason why your pads can wear unevenly. Because, notice these little hangers right here for the pads themselves. If they get kind of hung up on this pin here, and when you press the brake pedal and release it, one side might not retract all the way, one side might start dragging on the brake rotor. And you might not really notice it, but over many miles or hours of riding, eventually the inside of that pad will start to prematurely wear faster than the other side. Okay, so it's a common issue and it's pretty easy to resolve. You know, just remove the pin. This one has two, this one has a pin here, a pin here. Some have one pin, some have two. Just remove the pin and either take it to your bench grinder, you know, with your steel bristle brush wheel. That's the easiest way, and thoroughly clean off this entire surface all the way across it. That's good to do anytime you put on new brake pads or you're doing a brake service to your vehicle. Clean off that pin. It will definitely help. It'll help your pads, you know, wear more evenly. It'll help them feel better. They won't be all notchy and creaky and weird sounding. It definitely helps. So there you have it. This happens to be a 2006 Polaris Trailblazer ATV, but this sort of thing can affect all kinds of different vehicles, you know, with hydraulic brakes. So have a look at that. You very well might solve your problem very easily. We got plenty of more videos that might help you or entertain you, so check out our other stuff. We work on all kinds of things here. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, Jeeps, classic cars, Harley Davidsons, dirt bikes, vintage Harleys, vintage hot rods. You know, we work on stuff, and we're not some master mechanic here, but we do figure things out the best we can and try to pass that info along to you as a regular dude, and maybe it'll help you. So search through, browse through. We are always adding new stuff to our channel. So y'all have a great evening. See y'all later.